Using the first principle, I need to find the derivative of f of x. This is exercise 13.2. Okay. So if f dash of x and limit h tends to 0 of, I'll write the formula for the first question. Okay. F of x plus h by f of x divided by h. If the value substitute panna, I have x tends to 0 of x plus h. So wherever I have an x, I'm going to substitute with x plus h. So x square minus 2 minus of f of x, which is x square minus 2. Always put a bracket. Divided by h. If I open panna limit h tends to 0 of a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2 minus of, I'm going to open the bracket. So minus x square plus 2. The whole divided by h. If I cancel x square and the x square gets cancelled. Minus 2 and the plus 2 gets cancelled. So what am I left with? Limit h tends to 0 of, I can take the h outside, it's common. So h times h plus 2x divided by h. H and the h gets cancelled. H is 0 substitute panna, I'll be left with 2x. So this is my f dash of x. What are they asking for? Find the derivative of x is equal to 10. So f dash of 10 and substitute the value of 10 here. So I have 2 times 10, which is 20. Okay. So in that direct value x is equal to 10, 10 plus h square substitute panniயும் பண்ணலாம் இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணியும் பண்ணலாம். Okay, so if they are asking for multiple subsections, find f dash of x. First இத கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு அப்புறம் you can substitute as many numbers as you want. So you can substitute f dash of 100, you can substitute f dash of 99 and so on. So you can substitute as many values as you want if you have the f dash of x in terms of x. இல்லாட்டி இந்த இடத்துல ஒவ்வொரு வாட்டியும் you have to keep substituting 100 அப்புறம் 99 இந்த ஸ்டெப் திரும்ப திரும்ப பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay, so always prefer doing like this then substituting the value. Okay, that's how I do it. Question number 2, f of x is x. இதுவுமே first principle. So how do I do? F dash of x equals limit h tends to 0 of f of x plus h. So என்ன ஆகும்? X plus h minus f of x, which is x divided by h. இப்போ இதை open பண்ணா limit h tends to 0 of x plus h minus x divided by h. X and the minus x gets cancelled. H cancel பண்ணணும். 0 substitute பண்ணா I'll have 0 by 0. Correct? So I have limit h tends to 0. h cancel ஆச்சுனா 1. 1 is not dependent on h. So I can take it outside. So I don't have the limit anymore. So this is equal to 1. I need to find what f dash of x is at x is equal to 1. இங்க x ங்கிற term இல்ல. So what will it be? This is my f dash of x. So f dash of x at x is equal to 1 na, it will be f dash of 1, which is 1 times, I do not have an x term. So this will again be 1. Okay, so this is my f dash of 1. Moving on to third question. F of x கொடுத்திருக்கு. So I need f dash of x, which is f of x plus h. Limit h tends to 0 of 99 times x plus h minus 99x f of x divided by h. So I have limit h tends to 0 of 99x plus 99h minus 99x divided by h. You have to make sure that the x terms gets cancelled maximum. Okay va? So இது cancel ஆகும், h and the h will get cancelled. So I'll have limit h tends to 0 of 99. 99 is a constant which is not dependent on h, not dependent on the limit variable. So 99 வெளியில வந்துருச்சுனா it will be this. So I need to find out what the derivative is at x is equal to 100. So similar to the previous question, this is my f dash of x. So f dash of 100, 1000, 9000 எதுவா இருந்தாலும் it will be 99 because I do not have an x term here. Okay. Fourth question, first subsection, f of x கொடுத்திருக்கு, f dash of x using the first principle. So I have f dash of x equals limit h tends to 0 of f of x plus h. So I'll have x plus h the whole cube minus 27 minus of f of x, which is x cube minus 27 divided by h. Okay, இப்போ a plus b the whole cube formula. So I have limit h tends to 0 of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, இது a plus b the whole cube. I have minus 27 minus x cube minus into minus plus. So plus 27 the whole divided by h. Okay, so the minus 27 plus 27 gets cancelled. X cube and minus x cube gets cancelled. So I have all the terms that are dependent on h. இப்போ h common எடுக்கலாமா? I can take h outside. So I have limit h tends to 0 of h times h square plus 3x square plus 3xh divided by h. h cancel ஆயிடுமா? இப்போ h க்கு 0 போட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? I'll have 0 plus 3x square plus 0. I have another h here. So this becomes 3x square. So this is the derivative of f of x. Short form la pannona eppadi pannuvom? F dash of x is, I can bring down the power. Derivative of a constant is 0. So in the இடத்துல x cube or derivative enna, I can bring down the power. So I'll have 3 x to the power வந்து minus ஆயிடுமா? So 3 minus 1 which is 2. So this is equal to this. Okay, clear? Now next subsection, x minus 1, x minus 2. First நான் multiply பண்ணிக்கிறேன். So I have f of x equals x square minus 2x minus x plus 2, which is x square minus 3x plus 2. So this is my f of x. Now f dash of x is limit h tends to 0 of f of x plus h. Correct? So I'll have x plus h the whole square minus 3 times x plus h plus 2 minus of x square minus 3x plus 2 the whole divided by h. X plus h, f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay? இப்போ இந்த a plus b whole square பண்ணா limit h tends to 0 of x square plus h square plus 2xh minus, I'm going to multiply this inside. 3x minus 3h plus 2. I'm going to open the bracket. So I have minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Okay? The whole divided by h. So x square and x square will get cancelled. Minus 2 and plus 2 will get cancelled. Minus 3x plus 3x. So I only have the terms that are dependent on h. Correct? இப்போ h common எடுத்தா I have limit h tends to 0 of h times h plus 2x minus 3 divided by h. h and h cancel ஆயிடும். And I substitute the value of 0, I'll be left with 2x minus 3. Okay? Third subsection, I have f of x equals 1 by x square. இப்போ f dash of x enna? f of x plus h, which is 1 divided by x plus h the whole square minus 1 by x square the whole divided by h. I forgot the limit. Limit h tends to 0. Okay? So this is f dash of x equals limit h tends to 0. I'm going to take the LCM. So I have x square minus x plus h the whole square divided by x square into x plus h the whole square divided by h. Okay? I took the LCM. X square minus of bracket போடுங்க. X plus h the whole square divided by LCM is x square into x plus h the whole square divided by h. I've written it here. Okay? So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 of x square minus, open the bracket, a plus b the whole square. X square plus h square plus 2xh the whole divided by x square into x plus h the whole square. This becomes into 1 by h. Correct? So now I'm going to open the brackets. I have limit h tends to 0 of x square minus h square minus 2xh the whole divided by x square into x plus h the whole square times 1 divided by h. X square and the x square gets cancelled. I'm going to take the h outside from the numerator. So I have limit h tends to 0 of h of minus h minus 2x divided by x square into x plus h the whole square times 1 divided by h. H and the h gets cancelled. So I have limit h tends to 0 of minus h minus 2x divided by x square into x plus h the whole square. இப்போ h க்கு 0 போட்டா I have 0 minus 2x divided by x square into x plus 0 the whole square. So this will be minus 2x divided by x square times x square. So one of the x will get cancelled with this. So I have minus 2 divided by x cube. Okay? Fourth subsection, f of x is x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So this first principle la podnuna, f dash of x is f of x plus h. So what will I have? X plus h plus 1 divided by x plus h minus 1. X engala irukko angala x plus h podnom. Limit h tends to 0 minus f of x, which is x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Put a bracket. The whole divided by h. Okay, now I'm going to take the LCM. So what will I have? This is also inside a bracket. So this is limit h tends to 0 of x plus h plus 1 times x minus 1 minus of x plus 1 into x plus h minus 1 the whole divided by x plus h minus 1 into x minus 1. Okay? The whole divided by h. I'll write it down here. Okay? So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 of, multiply பண்ண போறேன். So I have x into x. X square plus xh plus x. First x multiply பண்றேன், then minus 1. So I have minus x minus h minus 1. Okay, so x into xh plus x அப்புறம் minus 1. So minus x minus h minus 1. Minus of, open a bracket, first multiply. So I have x square plus xh minus x plus h minus 1. The whole divided by x plus h minus 1 into x minus 1 divided by h into 1 by h. Okay. Now I'm going to open the brackets in the numerator. So I have first inge x minus x gets cancelled, and also here minus x and plus h plus x gets cancelled. So I'll be left with limit h tends to 0 of x square plus xh minus h minus 1 minus of x square minus xh minus h plus 1. Minus old multiply panna, wherever I have a minus it becomes a plus, and vice versa. Divided by x plus h minus 1 times x minus 1 into 1 by h. இப்போ என்ன cancel ஆகுது? x square and the x square. xh minus xh minus h minus h இருக்கு. Minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. So what am I left with? I'm left with limit h tends to 0 of minus h minus h, which is minus 2h divided by x plus h minus 1 times x minus 1 into 1 by h. So in the h cancel aguma. Now I'm going to substitute the value of 0. So I have minus 2 divided by x plus 0 minus 1 times x minus 1. So I have minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, so this is my final answer.